how to get a crazy amount of views to your YouTube videos with Reddit. And it's super easy. You're going to lose your mind at the power of what this can do for your videos.
Like stuff like this? That sucks. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.
Welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Bit Valentine, and I'm a professional growth hacker and software engineer. Imagine how good it would be to get some extra views to your YouTube channel from Reddit. Reddit is the front page of the internet. So what is Reddit? Reddit is a social news platform where users can share links, images, videos, and text. Users from these communities, which are usually called subreddits, can upvote on posts that they find interesting and useful. The more upvotes will promote your post to that subreddit's homepage, which is where your post will get a crazy amount of people waiting to see what's hot right now. There is 430 million active Reddit users on the platform. Reddit boasts more than 130,000 active communities with 1.4 billion video views every month. Reddit also hurls the best insults and is the front page of the internet. And it's full of people with autism. I mean people who take things super literally. Is that even a word? Literal. It will bring real organic views to your videos, but it comes with a price. Be prepared to be corrected on every single thing what comes out of your mouth. I'm going to break it down as easy as I can to help you get more subscriptions and organic views through Reddit. This will work on all your videos, old and new. It doesn't cost you a penny, and all it requires is your time, patience, and dignity. The results will blow you away or not. I will go through step by step on what to do and what not to do. And trust me, I've made mistakes with Reddit in the past. Learn from me so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. So to make life easier, I've created a Google Sheets document for you to download. The link is in the description, and this will eventually be developed into an app on the bitvalentine.com platform. Next, go to File, make a copy, call it whatever you like, and select the drive folder of your choosing. Click OK. This will now save a copy of this document to your personal drive. This document is now yours to do whatever you want. Now you need to do is research the subreddit communities that you want to post your videos on. I've added some subreddits as an example. Next, click on the Example tab. Here is where you will store your post history for every time you make a post on Reddit. First thing you need to do is paste in your video title, which is here at the top, and also the YouTube video link. This will make your life easier when posting your videos on Reddit, and you can easily copy and paste directly from this sheet. You can also make comments and also add the results from this, as you can keep track on what subreddits did the best for your videos. Feel free to delete the example data and get started. Check the link in the description, as by the time you are watching this video, it could already be an app ready for you to use. And I'm going to let you into a little secret. I'm going to be building this on the bitvalentine.com platform soon to be fully automated. And I'm going to reveal it towards the end of the video, so please do not skip. You're going to lose your mind at the power of what this can do for your videos. Firstly, you need to find subreddits in your video niche. Find the subreddit which is in your niche and see if any of the posts are similar to what you're going to be posting. Your videos need to be in the right Reddit group. For example, if you're posting about pies, you're going to be putting them on food groups. Recipes, you get the picture. Then you need to read the rules, as sometimes I say no to YouTube videos. Look how many members have joined, the higher the better. Then look to see how many are online. If there's a high number, it's good, it means it's an active subreddit. If it's low, it means it's a dead subreddit, and don't waste your time. Next, you need to see if the subreddit allows you to post a link. This is great because all you have to do is copy your YouTube link and the description. If all these boxes have been ticked, go ahead and join. Join the subreddit, but do not post just yet. Do not spam your video straight away. Hold your horses. Do not spam your links on all the subreddits that you've joined. This is mega important. It would just get you banned, it'll get your post removed, and even if you're doing this too much, you could lose your account forever. If too many subreddits block you, Reddit will block you. They don't want spammers on the platform. And you can kiss your Reddit account goodbye and build a reputation. Remember, moderators can spot a spammer a mile away.
Do you have daddy issues? Why not have granddaddy issues? Introducing BitValentine.com. Most of our clients have over 50 years of pumping experience. Pumpage. They are masters of pumpage. Pump it. And will teach you things that you never knew your body could do. 9 out of 10 of our clients cannot maintain an erection for longer than 10 seconds. Make his life year the best. Join today for free at bitvalentine.com.
This is a super important tip. Message the moderators before posting. Do not expect a response straight away. It could take hours. If not, it can take days for a response. If they say yes, then post. This will build trust with you and the other moderators. If they say no, do not post whatsoever. But give it a week. Ask them again with another video. They just might not like your content. The moderator's job is to ensure that people are not spamming and also adding content. So don't take it personally if they say no. If all is good, make the post. Paste whatever you put in the title of your YouTube video as the title of the video. A lot of moderators don't like it when you change the title to be a bit more spammy. Keep it the same as YouTube. Now go back to the Reddit video tracker and paste in the URL. If you click the share button on the Reddit post and paste it into that nice Google Sheets document that I prepared earlier. And this means you can go back at any time and check the performance, because you're not going to go viral straight away with this. It can take a few hours, it could take seconds, it could take minutes, it even could take days for a post to be upvoted. Once you post on Reddit, send that link to friends and family to ask them to upvote. If they like you enough, they'll do that. Or you can ask the BitValentine Discord community. For every upvote, there is a chance to appear on the hot section, basically the front page of the subreddit. So with the Reddit video tracker, you can check on how the posts are performing and give it a result. This is important for future videos that you want to push. You've just saved yourself the time posting on subreddits. Data is power, and with time your Reddit video tracker will be the driving force that will get you new subscribers and organic views. Now sit back and relax and watch your views and subscribers increase on YouTube. YouTube will see that you're bringing more traffic to their site, and they will reward you. This will work with new Reddit accounts, but please be careful. If you're just pasting into subreddits with a new account, your account will get banned instantly. I've tried this myself. You need to use an aged account if you can do so. If you have an old Reddit account with a decent amount of karma, use that account. Wait for part 2 on this video on how I can help you with real organic upvotes on the BitValentine platform, and this will ease the process even more. Subscribe to this channel and add the notifications, and you'll be notified as soon as I release it or look for beta testers. And with my early tests, the results have been amazing. See for yourself. And it's working better than I originally expected. Like stuff like this? Come join the community at bitvalentine.com. I'm looking for beta testers for my new app that I'm currently building right now that will help your YouTube and Twitch feeds get more views, real views, and subscribers without breaking the terms of service. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any comments or anything to add to this, please put them in the comments below. And if you've reached the end of the video, I really, really do. And see you on the next video. Hasta banana.
Like stuff like this? That sucks. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.